Restaurant English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to SpeakEasy English. Today, Day 6, Restaurant Words and Sentences in English, in 3 levels. Listen and repeat. Let's go. Restaurant English in 3 levels, Day 6, Beginner to Advanced. Level 1, Single Words. Restaurant. Restaurant. Waitress. Waitress. Table. Table. Menu. Menu. Waiter. Waiter. Appetizer. Appetizer. Main course. Main course. Order. Order. Dessert. Dessert. Drink. Drink. Juice. Juice. Water. Water. Coffee. Coffee. Fork. Fork. Knife. Knife. Spoon. Spoon. Plate. Plate. Glass. Glass. Napkin. Napkin. Bill. Bill. Tip. Tip. Great job. Level 1 complete. Let's move to Level 2. Level 2, Short Sentences. I go to a restaurant. I go to a restaurant. Can I have a table? Can I have a table? Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu? Hello, waiter. Hello, waiter. Hello, waitress. Hello, waitress. I am ready to order. I am ready to order. I want an appetizer. I want an appetizer. I want a main course. I want a main course. I want dessert. I want dessert. Can I have a drink? Can I have a drink? Water, please. Water, please. Coffee, please. Coffee, please. Can I have a fork? Can I have a fork? Can I have a knife? Can I have a knife? I need a spoon. I need a spoon. Can I have a clean plate? Can I have a clean plate? Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a napkin? Can I have a napkin? Can I have the bill? Can I have the bill? I leave a tip. I leave a tip. Excellent. Level 2 done. Now Level 3. Level 3, Advanced Sentences. I made a reservation for 2 people at 7 p.m. I made a reservation for 2 people at 7 p.m. Can we sit by the window, please? Can we sit by the window, please? Could you recommend a popular dish here? Could you recommend a popular dish here? I am allergic to nuts, so please check the ingredients. I am allergic to nuts, so please check the ingredients. I'll have the chicken soup as an appetizer. I'll have the chicken soup as an appetizer. For my main course, I want the grilled salmon. For my main course, I want the grilled salmon. Can I get the steak cooked medium rare? Can I get the steak cooked medium rare? I don't eat meat. Do you have vegetarian options? I don't eat meat. Do you have vegetarian options? What desserts do you have today? What desserts do you have today? I'll have tiramisu and a cappuccino. I'll have tiramisu and a cappuccino. Can I have still water instead of sparkling? Can I have still water instead of sparkling? My coffee is cold, can you heat it up? My coffee is cold, can you heat it up? This soup is too salty for me. This soup is too salty for me. Can I have another fork, please? Can I have another fork, please? My steak is perfect, thank the chef for me. My steak is perfect, thank the chef for me. Could you bring the bill when you have a moment? Could you bring the bill when you have a moment? Is service charge included in the bill? Is service charge included in the bill? I'd like to pay by card, please. I'd like to pay by card, please. Can we split the bill between 2 cards? Can we split the bill between 2 cards? The food was delicious, here's a 15% tip. The food was delicious, here's a 15% tip. Fantastic! Now you know restaurant words and sentences in English. Practice every day and your English will improve fast. Like and subscribe, new lessons every day on SpeakEasy English. See you tomorrow.